other 6 stations.
Because for me, if you ask me, if you ask me, Yaw, that going on air to explain a choir national security for by who intel now who said Ben Sibini, it was uncalled for. You cannot win. Menoka say Nipa Miensa, Omanhene Yaw Mama see the petition Breno. It was forwarded Akoma Council of State to investigate and come out whether a prima facie case can be established against the Chief Justice. Also, when you petition, yes, I'm going to the petition it just said, Nipa Miensa remove the Chief Justice. Hey! So now the issue is, he has received 3 petitions. Now some petitions soon they paid out. Nipa is a mad but you will let that. Person seeking the removal of the Chief Justice. He has forwarded the 3 petitions to the Council of State to commence the consultation process mandated by Article 146 of the and on this now when you pay me Baza the letter on one the betu about petition on the boy but when you pay me they are pleading anonymity and answer day. How do you petition the president and plead anonymity? Are the usro suspicion of what? Because your friend say Charlotte say they did not plead anonymity. Almost petition president. No. The president started a John Darko did a press conference on behalf of the minority caucus and said the Attorney General is failing to respect the constitutional rights of suspects. We are unfazed by threats of defamation, suit and attack. There's a minority leader will be
the protection. In his presser said among other things that the MPs
including the minority leader, cannot use constitutional immunity to defame others. The Attorney General sought to create the wrong impression that the minority leader's presser was done to defame some members of the security apparatus. We see the attempt to belittle the immunity granted to parliamentarians to speak.
So why are you making your face look like? I don't make it kind of want it. I will be saying for that court. And you know, OSP, no, I was you. I know OSP, so I says you know. Asante Regional Police.
13 February 2025. Patricia Numakun Oye Momo vendor. Omu shooting. Our kurufum. Ena ohwe ni kwa. Ninkwa. Dia to so mienu. Gideon Owusu Sapon. Ye friend Junior. Ono nso ewo ni fie ewo kwada so. Akonfo to share no so. Ena mo kon. Ena mo wi ni phone. Ene ni sika.
They became a toothless bulldog. They couldn't even bite to bite. How do you gag the police? Say, come on, say, police TV. And a Buamo, Mamu Intel. Can you imagine that those times, regional police commander will come to the studio? Yes. Kofi Wachimone, Ayumo, Duku. Otiwanomona Commander Kasa. The people
Namincha dear, Yansanka, Nipa, Yansabia, Omudisa, Jumaboni, a Tituni Charles, Kwame Danso, a few 23. I friend Kwame Charles, announced Miami.
But for Kwan, the police for a Kunkrofo. So young, because police in here or Intel crown on Kasa. You know a champion or ma you know traffic. We are we are there. They invited Shatawale to Obra.
Let us Philip Fodio or a few 29. Let us Samuel Ada or no, a few 42.
How do you feel, sir, original commander on TV? Commander Kwaba.
Now, yet on the 21st of March, 13 February 2025. Patricia Numakun Oye Momo vendor. Omu shooting. Our kurufum. Ena ohwe ni kwa. Ninkwa. Dia to so mienu. Gideon Owusu Sapon. Ye friend Junior. Ono nso ewo ni fie ewo kwada so. Akonfo to share no so. Ena mo kon. Ena mo wi ni phone. Ene ni sika. Namincha de Yansanka Nipa Yansabia. Omudisa Jumaboni. A Tituni Charles, Kwame Danso, a few 23. I friend Kwame Charles, announced Miami. Let us Philip Fodio, a few 29. Let us Samuel Ada, ɔno ɛwɔ mfie 42 na yɛte ɔmo on the 21st of March 2025 ɛwɔ Pankrɔ no ɛne Atimatim. Sesi a meka sɛ saa nipa mmiɛnsa yi ɔmo wɔ yɛn nsɛm a yɛde ɔmo ɛkɔ court. Aka nipa baako a yɛpɛ no akye no a ne din
wait, ama the public anya to so say they are on the ground, and the fear that grips people no ebe free or say armed robber bi kura wa adwini sisi ase okobokro no a now obe careful yantishi mobile money vendors yes. People started talking. Ubo no din kuma. Nanse mi share ba kubi ayi TikTok bi em say na ye sisi omo bro no say wo kubi o so omo fa omo ko no ba ku pie no to say ba ku so woni ni owo what to say no so yira kwa ne kon na ni ana dwane e cha no e je em say ni oni no won there. What did the baby or original commander no more assurance? The rest now wow, information Fabra. People yes, family new crown beton. Now I'm part of Kayan what to but it's a Juliana so come back to he's gone back to Accra region. Yes. As PRO. Yes. The Munya no to talk. We gonna make up one Juliana to office on Gasa. A raise soon Juliana soon in Casapa. Now go Casam here you. Bakubi no a PRO. Ewo a headquarters. With Casapa. Debbie Bema. You won't cry near town in the Dinkomo. Or your DS. How much time go for oh, I, or Kasana, very excellent orator. Yes. Oh, okay. I'm fine, gentlemen. And to the Siano, and some nine could be said, yes, share anymore, and now Mamma hitting some now. I said 1,350 naira. Bakubia, 500,000. ECG, Togo. $600 million. Now, container, a wallet. Now, minister, briefly. What sort of nonsense? And you know, because about front of the containers be now within 2 months, no, the same containers, 1,300. Now, I'm saying, Captain Planet, or yesterday we said, now I'm more a now, it's why you are containers, right? Because you're here, you go through. What you say, brah? What was the idea? That a Indian excavators 500 ah, the best know who be. What be 5 excavators? Now container no. You're far good, you will sell brown tip off. Zinco, but trust in on his